So, what do you do?
Uh, oh no.
Oh, no?
Yeah, my brain just shut down.
Same. Like, I clearly have a job. I wake up for it. I complain about it. I think about it on Sundays.
Exactly. But the moment someone asks that question, my brain is like, work? Never heard of it.
It's like your brain opens a folder called career,
And it's completely empty.
or worse,
Too full.
job title, side projects, studies, future plans, personality, entire life story.
And your mouth chooses silence.
Yeah, just loading.
Buffering.
Please wait.
And the other person is smiling.
Waiting.
Very politely judging.
And you're standing there thinking, why is this the question that ends me?
If that moment felt painfully familiar, you're not alone.
And you're in the right place.
Hi everyone, I'm Jane.
And I'm Ben.
You're listening to Easy English Conversation
A calm, friendly space to practice real English.
through natural conversation.
No classroom feeling,
No grammar lectures.
just English you can actually use in daily life.
And today we're talking about one very small question.
That causes very big panic.
So, what do you do?
Before we start, quick reminder.
Relax your shoulders.
Unclench your jaw.
You don't need to understand every word.
Just listen first.
Let the English come to you.
Take the words you like.
Leave the rest.
No pressure today. By the end of this episode,
You'll have several calm ways to answer, what do you do?
without freezing,
Without apologizing.
without explaining your entire life story,
You'll sound clear, confident, and human.
and at the end,
We'll do a slow word tour.
so the useful phrases stay in your English.
Let's imagine the situation.
You're at a networking lunch.
Or maybe your first lunch at a new job.
You don't know everyone yet.
Everyone is holding a plate or a drink.
Trying to look relaxed.
You're chatting about food, weather, traffic.
Then someone turns to you
Smiles.
and says,
So, what do you do?
let's say this clearly.
This question is not hard because your English is bad.
It's hard because it's open.
There's no single correct answer.
Your brain suddenly asks many questions.
Do I keep it short?
Do I make it impressive?
Do I explain my job or my role?
Do I include my studies?
My side project?
My future plans?
And when the brain has too many options,
It freezes.
there's also something emotional here.
Yes.
This question feels like identity.
It feels like, who are you?
And are you doing well in life?
That's a lot for one casual lunch.
So if you freeze here,
You're not weak.
you're human.
Let's start with the safest solution.
We call it the simple label.
Instead of explaining everything,
You give one short label.
one calm sentence,
No details.
no story.
For example, I work in marketing.
I work in education.
I help customers solve problems.
I work with data and reports.
That's it.
You stop there.
This works because it removes pressure.
From you,
And from the listener.
you're opening the door gently.
So, Ben, what do you do?
I work in education.
Nice.
No rush.
No stress.
Now, tool number 2.
Perfect if your job title is confusing
Or very long.
or boring.
Instead of the title,
You describe what you actually do.
simple daily actions.
For example, I help customers solve problems.
I work with data and reports.
I manage social media content.
I talk to clients and answer questions. Actions are easier to imagine.
And easier to respond to.
Jane, what do you do?
I help people improve their communication skills.
Clear.
Friendly.
Now, tool number 3.
If you feel a little more confident,
Try this structure.
2 short parts.
Part 1, simple label. Part
2, 1 small detail.
For example, I work in tech. I focus on customer experience.
I'm a student. I'm studying business.
I work in healthcare. I help with administration.
This sounds confident.
But still safe.
When you don't love your job.
Important moment.
What if you don't love your job?
Or feel embarrassed about it.
You still deserve respect.
And you don't need to apologize.
You can say, I work in retail.
I'm between jobs right now.
I'm currently studying.
Say it calmly.
No excuses.
Real life.
Your brain freezes anyway.
Even with practice.
That's normal.
Use rescue phrases.
That's a good question.
Let me think for a second.
How can I explain this simply?
These buy time.
Your brain relaxes.
Just listen.
No need to repeat now.
I work in marketing.
I work in education.
I help customers solve problems.
I work with data and reports.
That's a good question.
Let me think for a second.
3 things to avoid.
1. Apologizing for your job.
2. Explaining too much.
3. Staying silent too long.
Simple English is always enough.
Okay, let's pause here.
We'll practice together.
No rush.
Repeat after us slowly.
If you're in public, repeat in your head.
If you're alone, say it out loud. I work in marketing.
I work in education.
I work in customer support.
Good. Now daily tasks.
I help customers solve problems.
I work with data and reports.
I manage social media content.
Nice. Slow and calm.
Now a 2-part answer. I work in tech. I focus on customer experience.
I'm a student. I'm studying business.
Now rescue phrases. That's a good question.
Let me think for a second.
How can I explain this simply?
One last time.
When someone asks what I do,
I answer calmly.
I don't rush.
I use simple English.
That's already progress.
Is always enough.
Let's slow down.
Word tour time.
Freeze. To suddenly stop thinking.
Example, I froze when they asked my job.
Label. A short name.
Example, I used a simple label.
Daily tasks. Things you do every day.
Example, I explained my daily tasks.
Follow-up question. The next question someone asks.
Buy time. Create a pause to think.
Open question. A question with many possible answers.
Your homework is very small.
Choose one answer you liked.
Practice it once a day.
Mirror, shower, walking.
If you want, write 1 sentence in the comments.
When someone asks what I do, I say,
You don't need impressive English.
you need calm, clear English.
And you're closer than you think.
This is Jane.
And this is Ben.
Thanks for listening to Easy English Conversation.
See you in the next episode.